Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave and the notification bell so you know when I post. We do a lot of makeup tutorials, hair tutorials. Sometimes things don't go as planned. It's a little bit of a hot mess, but that's just how it is over here. If you are returning to my channel, what's going on? We're about to get into some foolery again. So this is a video that I've been needing to do for I was gonna say months, but basically years. I have so much old makeup. I swear some of it's older than my kids. It is so gross to look through these drawers and see what makeup I still have. So we're gonna do a couple drawers today. I don't know if I can handle any more than just two. If you guys want to see more of these videos of me like throwing away old makeup and sort of talking about the makeup if I can remember it, because I know a lot of makeup to me has attachment, like, oh, I know when I was, where I was when I bought this, or what I was into when I bought this. If you guys are the same way, comment below. I don't know if that's just me or not, but anyway, yeah, so we're gonna go through two drawers today, and yeah, just try not to come for me too much in the comments with some of this old ass makeup. Now, mind you, a lot of this shit I don't touch. It stayed in the drawer. I have not looked at it in years, which is part of the problem. We are gonna go ahead and get started. So if you guys wanna see me going through some of this old shit and throwing stuff away, then make sure to stay watching. Okay, everybody, so I keep the bulk of my makeup in my Alex drawers. Don't mind the dirty fronts. When we moved, they were taped shut, and I just need to go back and clean that off. But you can see I have these drawers all dedicated. This is one that we're going to hit today. Good Lord, it's horrible. And we're going to hit this one as well. But I have all these drawers dedicated to different things like that. It's like skincare, nails, extra bags, and then hair products and stuff. But yes, we're going to get started on this. It's supposed to be like foundation and like face products. And this drawer, it's supposed to be eyeliners and eye products and like lipsticks, but you can see it's a fucking mess. And yeah, got the big garbage bag so we can get started. Okay, here we go. I don't even know what's in that. It was super greasy feeling. I have a lot of Bare Mineral like old cases because I used to love Bare Minerals. This is a Fit Me foundation that is not the right shade. I don't know how old it is. So she's going in the garbage. Keeping the Maybelline, or no, Garnier Fruitiste. This, I don't even know what that is. Dried out. Tons of Bare Mineral stuff. You can see I'm throwing those away. I have several of these little e.l.f. compacts. And this, why? Why do I even have that? It's empty. More products that I don't even know what they are. That shit was oily as hell. This I'm keeping. It's a pretty blush, just in a Bare Minerals little case. I'm gonna keep this for travel. You can see how dirty everything is. This is a Wet n Wild foundation stick that just was never the right shade. I have a lot of that going on. Okay, next, this NYX blush is probably 10 years old, no lie. Oh God. This is a Lorac I bought when I went to, I don't even know, 2-3 years ago. Never used it. Gross. I'm just going to chime in here when I get to stuff that is absolutely disgusting like that. I'm so embarrassed, I swear. Okay, so this was a bronzer that just really wasn't great. And oh no.
God! No, God!
Okay,
please,
so
no,
I got this
no,
probably 4 years ago, 5 years ago, and
no!
Oh, it's so gross. Would you even put that on your face? I want to gag. Okay, this was a Mayron like concealer wheel. I got this probably 4 years, 5 years ago, and yeah, it should have been thrown out a long time ago. I got a bunch of these little e.l.f. highlighters, and they just sucked. I never used them. They just didn't work very well. More, who knows what kind of powders are in here. Here's another one of those little e.l.f. highlighters that just really were garbage. Next, this is a tinted, it's supposed to be like blush. Never liked it. It just made it like blotchy, and now it's just hella oily and gross. I don't even know what this is or where it came from, but I shouldn't even be putting half of this on my skin. I swear I'm surprised it didn't break out in a rash.
Oh my God!
Okay, so this shit exploded on me. As you can see, it smelled so bad. Damn, Almay or whatever it is. Disgusting. We're getting down to the nitty gritty. I'm keeping both of these foundations. I use both of them still, Clean and Clear and the Rimmel. I love this LA Colors, or LA Coverage, sorry. This was an Ofra powder. It looked ashy as hell. Oh God, MAC, when I was in my MAC days. These are all little samples of foundations that I used to get, throwing those out. This was actually a foundation, I think it's Rainforest of the Sea or something like that. I kept that because it looked good. Why? Why do I even have these empty things in here? I feel, okay, the silicone thing, trash. Hated those, throwing it away. More mystery powders. My God damn it. I swear, I made the biggest mess ever with all this stuff. Yeah, we're getting down to everything being almost cleared out. This is just something that should have been thrown away. It's almost empty. This is a powder I ended up keeping because I think it's Laura Mercier in there. And then my foundations fit me. I'm keeping another disgusting old foundation. Oh, Lord. And then I'm keeping the CoverGirl. Let me go ahead and wipe this out and reorganize stuff. And I just wanted to mention that all these little baskets that I use are from the dollar store. So they're literally like $1 each, and they work perfect for organizing makeup, and they fit perfectly in these Alex drawers. Okay, on to the next drawer. As you can see, I'm a little obsessed with these Wet n Wild eyebrow pencils. Oh, Lord. These Anastasia Beverly Hills kits, contour and highlight kits, old as hell. Threw those both away. The e.l.f. kits I'm going to keep. There is some wear and tear, as you can see. I love these, but they're still really good, and I use them regularly. Another one of the Anastasia kits. I can't even remember the last time I purchased those. Those are probably 6 or 7 years old. Some little cheap shit. Now this looks a mess, and it is a mess. One of my little contours broke, but I am going to clean this up like I'm showing here and keeping that. Oh, Lord. Tons of old dried out mascaras from I don't know where. Checking that Anastasia brow pencil because those motherfuckers are expensive. She was empty, so I threw her out. Now I'm just going through and keeping the colored pencils, any of the black. Oh, Lord. You'll see a lot of this ugly ass purple lipstick and bright pink lipstick. I don't know what I was thinking back in the day, but I have so many of those. I threw all those out. Now I'm just going through and grabbing all the junk out. Mostly in this section here are eyeliners and like mascaras like that are super old. There's another one. I swear, I don't know why I just didn't throw stuff away. Like, why? This makes me feel bad about myself with all this shit. I hope you guys are enjoying this foolery that is in these drawers. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to continue to just go through. I'm testing a lot of this eyeliners to make sure that they look good, to see if they work. Like this one was a really good one. It was like a dark gray, so that one's getting kept. This was Benefit's like eyeliner back when it was weird. It had a rubbery tip. I never liked it. Throwing all these pencils away. Yeah, I'm keeping everything that's colored, anything that's a little more high end. This was the Maybelline, that brow thingy that didn't work very well. Brow tattoo or whatever. And yeah, so I'm just going to continue to go through all the eyeliners. So many old dried out mascara, which is not safe at all. Ladies and gentlemen, you should be throwing your mascara away every couple months and getting a new mascara unless you want your eyeballs to fall out of your head. Yeah, Okay, just getting through the bottom of this little section here. That's the NYX HD High Definition Primer, which is good, keeping that. And I'm going to start going through the lip products. I pull up a ColourPop lip product here, liquid lip, so that I'm keeping. I found an old ass It Cosmetics product. You guys know that I don't really care for them. If you want to check out the reasons why, I will make sure to link the video up for you guys to check it out. Anyway, just going through the rest of these ink eyeliners. There are a few that I kept. Most of it went in the trash. Shit like this that you open and it explodes on you. Instant trash. Okay, this was an exciting find. Super pretty bright blue eyeliner. Keeping that. This was brand new. I had to open it. I didn't even know what it was. It's like an eye or a brow pencil, but not the right shade. More inked eyeliners, more pencils. Just old stuff going in the trash. Okay, so after going through all that, that basically was what was left of the liners and things. So now onto these ugly ass lipsticks. I'm going through and picking out the more higher end lipsticks that I recognize offhand and ones that I know that I use and like. There's a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills. There's some ColourPop, all kinds of different colors of lipsticks I'm keeping. And then I'm going to go through and start throwing stuff away that I know is just not the greatest quality or super old, or like I said, these bright pinks and purples. Ugh, I don't know why. Why? I had purchased several of these Revlon like liquid lips and they sucked. They just were never really good, and that was sort of depressing that I had so many. So those are all going in the trash. These bright pink, why? Barbie pink? Who's wearing that? More Barbie pink, surprise! And these ugly purples. I don't know why I had so many of those. This is a metallic color I really like. I'm keeping that. More lip glosses. These are the Manas that I really liked. I had talked about in my Ross haul before. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills I'm keeping. This one had a really, really cool container, and I like the color. It's sort of like a coral orange, keeping that. This little lip gloss, who knows how old that is. Another reduced price, icky, throwing it away. There's another Revlon one. More NYX, like glitter lipsticks. Ugh, God, I don't know who I was back in the day. Bare Minerals was cute. Those were not very good either. Maybelline 24 Hours. Hikara one was cute. The NYX, I'm not keeping any of that. And this was making my lips look like I was like a corpse. Anyway, that's it. I got rid of a lot of lipsticks, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these in there, organize them a little better. So here is the trash bag. I got rid of a lot of shit out of 2 drawers. So yeah, here is the before. And here is the after. Now I have products that I know are not expired. I can see what I have. I'm not putting anything crazy on my face. Here's the before of this drawer, which was just super depressing to even look at. Here is the after. Oh, it feels so much more better to be organized. Okay, everybody, so that is all I want to do today. It's just 2 drawers. I swear some of that makeup is older than my children. It's so gross that it's been in there for so long. So I have a skincare drawer, I have a hair drawer, nails and stuff. I have more makeup and more makeup drawers. If you guys want to see me clean more of those drawers out, then make sure to comment below. Also, make sure to give this video a like so that I know you guys, want to see more of these types of videos, because I have tons of stuff to clean out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.